Hello, my name is Mary Jewett and I work for the Lakes Environmental Association. And today I am at our Highland Research Forest in Bridgton to bring you on a nature walk. So I hope you enjoy. The Highland Research Forest has several different habitats that I'll be exploring today, and hopefully we'll see some good stuff. Heading down the trail, I immediately realized that the forest is dominated by two primary sounds. The first is a red-eyed vireo. He will sing like this all summer long. Now that you know the red-eyed vireo's song, you're going to be hearing it everywhere you go, including in this video. The other sounds, the chip-chipping sounds, are those of the red squirrel and the eastern chipmunk, all feeling threatened by my presence here today. Yeah, there's the little rodents. That's probably not the last time I'm going to do that today. There are a couple different clover species growing near the Privy. I didn't know this, but apparently clover is not native to Maine, which sparks the debate how long before an introduced species becomes important to the function of an ecosystem, like providing food for native butterflies. Also, did anyone else notice a huge increase in swallowtails this year? Today we are going to veer left onto the wetland trail. It is a nice walk, especially with all the vireos and rodents serenading me. As the sun comes out, it is time to break out the bug net. Let's see what I can catch. Got something. If you are careful, you can gently hold a dragonfly or damselfly by the wings. Make sure you get all 4 wings. If you can't do this safely, let the insect go. Here we have a female ebony jewelwing, which is a species of damselfly. I hope she will eat some of the mosquitoes bothering me. You often see ebony jewelwings along trails in the forest or close to small woodland streams. I'm starting to hear wetland sounds as I go through this ferny field. Goodbye, vireos. Well, the bugs are loving the water, but I'm still happy to get down to the wetland. Aquatic ecosystems have so much biodiversity, and I'm looking forward to exploring here. Ah, the American bullfrog, eating anything they can fit in their mouths and making a huge racket. They will even eat small birds if they get too close. Yikes. Red-winged blackbirds are very common, and there are several nests here at the Highland Research Forest. The males are quite striking, but the females have really interesting feather patterns if you see them close enough. This male blackbird has been preening and showing off for quite some time. What was that? Lucky I was able to get this high-quality snapshot from the video. Well, this one's better. That's a male wood duck. In my opinion, the most beautiful duck that we have in Maine. And we are lucky enough to have them nesting out here at the Highland Research Forest. Watch out for bullfrogs! This log was popular with a couple different dragonfly species. Dragonflies rely on unpolluted freshwater to survive, so seeing a variety of species here is good news. Dragonflies don't have their colors when they are fresh from their exoskeletons, so I'm not sure what species this is. Here we have the rock star of any wetland, the great blue heron. This one is sticking resolutely to the other side of the marsh. Now here's something interesting. A mama duck and her babies cruising in front of the heron. They are hooded mergansers, and this is the best shot I got. She didn't stick around for long. Here are a male and female from earlier this season. So this is kind of a funny story. I wasn't able to get video footage of this bird singing, but it can be heard in the background of the heron video. So here's the northern Parula, an exasperating bird that likes to stay high in the canopy. Let's go a little closer to the water and see what we can find. Here's a little muskrat friend. They can hold their breath for several minutes while rooting around in the muck for snacks. You can just see the thin tail as it dives. Time to head back up the trail. What have we here? What is the saying? Leaves of 3, please eat me? A nice wild strawberry to keep me going. Time to head back up the trail. I'm going to keep my net handy just in case. Here's a little toad sitting in the middle of the trail. Camouflage can be a good survival tool, but it can also backfire and get you stepped on. See these today, but I wanted to share this cool toad egg photo. They lay their eggs in long strings. And finally, a mating pair with a toad singing in the background. Thank you for joining me on my walk today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new, and I hope that you can make it out to the Highland Research Forest soon. There's other trails that we didn't explore today, so hopefully you can come out and explore for yourself. I had fun exploring the wetland trail today. Next time we will go down to the lake.